Well, I did a summer cocktail look makeup without any liquid foundation and without any liquid eyeliner. I've done an eye makeup with a bit of a twist. You'll see how it is without any harsh lines. And of course, I've stuck to my powder foundation. Just make sure you moisturize well. My contact lenses are Pure Hazel by Fresh Look. My skin routine is done, but right now I'm going to definitely moisturize my face really well because although I have dry skin, I will make the dry foundation work and you'll see how. Use a lip balm or a lip plumper of your choice before makeup. Considering I'm doing a cocktail party look, I also make sure in general that the concealer is applied well and then the powder foundation because it still makes the layers less. Liquid foundation tends to line up on our faces, especially for me because I'm in my 40s. So the concealer is what I use and then I go for the dry foundation, but I moisturize really well. Now with a very light hand, I'm going to touch up my powder foundation. And this product is not only good, you can even carry it with you to touch up. I always set my eyebrows with a gel so that they stay in place. If you need to draw it, that's fine, but do set it with a gel, then it won't move. Now take any dark brown eyeshadow of your choice and a soft brush. This is the pack 204. And make sure you always dust off the extra product. Apply it on your upper eyelid. Take it up to your crease line like I'm doing. And if you have hooded eyes, go further up. Now this application I will do only on my upper eyelid. Now take a transition color or a lighter brown and again another soft brush and put it on the crease line so there's no harsh lines visible. Just soften it out. Now take a smudge brush or a pencil brush, the thickness is up to you, and go back in with the dark brown which we used first and just line your lower lash line. I'm going to just soften the edges one more time as in the crease line with the soft brush. I'm going to apply a nude kohl on my lower waterline. This will really open up the eyes. Now once you use a mascara after this, the eye makeup will look really nice. Oh, some of you ask me every time about how many carats I'm wearing on my hand. Hello, I don't even like diamonds. This is a crystal. I don't spend on jewelry. I spend on fashion and makeup. I guess you guys know that by now. Anyway, make sure you apply a good mascara and this itself will define your eyes and give this eye makeup a lovely glamorous look. Now take a flat eyeshadow brush and a highlighter of your choice and apply it on your outer brow bone. I always line and fill out my lips with a nude lip liner. This makes my lipstick stay longer. Then use a lip liner to define your lips that will go with your lipstick. Just dab out the edges so that there are no harsh lines. I'm using a nudish gloss lipstick of my choice. Go for a lipstick and a gloss if you want, or something of your own choice. I use products of my personal choice. Please use brands that suit you and your lifestyle. Just stick to the techniques. Now I'm going to just contour my face a little bit. This one is a little harsh, so I'm going to soften it out with my powder. For daily purposes, I actually prefer a powder-based contour. It looks much lighter and more natural. I'm just softening it out with my Studio Fix or your powder foundation. And I'm going to just contour my nose by flattening the same contour brush and putting it on the two sides of my nose. Use a blush of your choice. I use a cream blush because I have dry skin. If you have oily skin, by all means use a powder blush. Touch up your powder foundation if you need to. My towel dress is from Zara and my neck piece is something I got in a random store in Dubai Mall. Complete your makeup with a highlighter of your choice and your cocktail makeup look is done. I'll see you guys soon with easy, relatable and doable makeup which is not layered. Till then, take care and stay glam.